G'day guys, so today we are going to unpack the Trade Series plant trailer. This is 3.5 tonne plant trailer and it is perfect for skid steers, excavators, loaders, all up to 2.8 tonne. So let's dive in and check out exactly what this trailer includes. So the Trade Series plant trailer is still equipped with our one-of-a-kind, one-piece 350 grade C-section chassis. This chassis is fully engineered and fully FEA tested. We've also got the spare wheel and spare wheel carrier, the jockey wheel at the front, and you've also got the option for a 50mm hydraulic coupling or electric coupling. At the back of this Trade Series plant trailer, we have our 3.5 tonne aluminium lightweight ramps. Also for our deck, we've got a 3mm steel checker plate floor, which is perfect for your heavier machines, more durable, more grip. We've got 12 in-floor chain slots reinforced throughout the deck. We've also got 4 external bolt-in tie-down points so you can chain and strap your machine down. This trailer has a massive deck size of over 2.8 metres long and over 1.9 metres wide. And despite its large size, it comes in at a light weight of 700 kilos tear. The Trade Series plant trailer comes well equipped with our 3.6 tonne Rockarola suspension system. This system includes our 8-leaf spring set, our 50mm square axles. On the outside we also have our 10-inch drum braked hubs on top of our 5-stud Ford pattern 14-inch wheels and tyres. So if this trailer ticks all the boxes for you and your machine, then feel free to contact the team today to get your trailer started.